Okay, we're on question 83. It says, using evidence from the reading and the sim, what did you learn about our question? So, our investigation question was, why does an energy transfer not always result in a phase change? So, the sim is where we were trying to add energy or remove energy without causing a phase change. And then the reading was about the liquid oxygen and cooling it down to overcome molecular attraction. So, do your best to answer this question. Why does an energy transfer not always result in a phase change? And you're going to answer it right here where it says my answer. So, go ahead and pause the video and do that, and then we'll have a class answer next. Okay, so you should have already come up with your own answer for that. Next, we have our class answer. So you have to add or remove enough energy to overcome the attractive force in between molecules. So when going from a liquid to a gas, which is evaporation, you have to add enough energy to break those bonds holding them together. When going from a gas to a liquid, which is condensation, you have to remove enough energy to allow the bonds to form. If they're too warm, they're moving too fast for bonds to form. So write these three things down, and then keep in mind this also applies to melting and freezing. So you could put like melting right here and freezing right here as well. So go ahead and pause and complete this in question 83 under class answer. All right, next we are going to do a warm-up activity. You're going to place 2 drops of water and 2 drops of isopropyl alcohol onto a paper towel. We'll then wait 5 minutes to see which has evaporated first or which one has evaporated more. So we've got 2 bottles. One is labeled with an A for alcohol. One is labeled with W for water. You'll open it up. You'll put 2 small drops onto a paper towel, and then you'll circle that with a pen. Just circle where the drops went so that you can see it later. Make sure you try to do the alcohol and water pretty close together, not like close on the paper towel, but pretty close in time. Do it within 10 seconds of each other so that they start at the same time point, and then set a 5-minute timer, and then make observations. So first, you need to make a prediction. Which do you think will evaporate first or evaporate more, the water or the alcohol? Then you make observations. What actually happened? Then explain it. And make sure you say which has a stronger or weaker attraction between the molecules and why. Whichever one evaporated first is probably going to have weaker attraction. Whichever one lasted longer and took longer to evaporate is going to have stronger molecular attraction. So go ahead and pause the video and complete 84.